got this really cool bag filled with some really fun stuff. So let's see what we got. Matches my shirt, which is a bra. But after color sealer. Gloves. We've got 10. I've had 20. We are doing a hair video. It's time for some change. Almost poked my eye out. And this is the color we're going. Oh yeah, a little DIY, which I know that is y'all's favorite. So we're gonna lean in, and I've been hating, absolutely hating my hair. I've got 6R and 7R. I've got dark roots and I've got blonde ends. I've got 2 bowls, one for the roots and one for the tips. I got 2 bowls, one for the ends and one for the tips. I got 2 bowls. First and foremost, I had to ask my boy Chat what the game plan is. We went and got the goods yesterday at Sally's, and I was a little stressed, I'm not gonna lie, because I really don't want to fuck this up, because I really want this to last about 3 months. This color. And one thing about me is I hate maintenance. I'm a low maintenance, high maintenance girl. Feeling a bit dry. Let's ask Chat. Alright, today's the day. We're dyeing the hair red. I've got 2 colors. I've got the terracotta, the red terracotta 6R, and I've got the 7R red rouge. I've got the 20 volume and I've got the 10 volume. So, which one's going on my roots? Which one's going on my ends? Let's do this. He's the best.
Let's lock in. Here's the clean pro-level game plan. No overthinking. We move with confidence.
Period.
TLDR roots, 7R red rouge plus 20 volume.
Okay, we'll do roots because they're dark in the dark. 20 is going to have more lift with the red rouge. Yeah, because that one's brighter. Okay, period. Mids, ends, 6R terracotta plus 10 volume. Love that. I've got a light brush and a dark brush. Isn't this fun? I'm having fun.
6R red terracotta plus 10 volume. Why this works?
Tell me.
Roots need lift. Scalp heat 20 vol gets you proper saturation and brightness.
Need it.
7R is lighter brighter, which prevents muddy dark root.
Hold on, what did I just say? 7R is lighter, brighter, which prevents muddy dark roots, which we've always said my hair is a mousy brown. I'm muddy. I look muddy right now.
Ends are already porous. They grab fast. Net a 10 vol plus deeper 6R.
Yes, they are virgins. 10 vol plus 6 odds opposites, rich color without frying or going dull.
Terracotta on the ends is expensive, dimensional red. Think editorial, not box dye panic.
Do not overlap the 20 vol onto previously colored hair, because this is gonna lock. Slightly damp ends before applying 6R if they're super dry. Okay. Let's just fucking go in. Okay. Pour 2 parts of Wella Color Charm Developer in bowl or bottle first, and then mix 1 part permanent cream hair color. Apply mixture to the hair. Process for 30 minutes and up to 45 minutes. Cream color, which I don't like because I like to pour this in here and that's my measuring cup. So that's fucking dumb. Why first? I don't think that's really necessary. It's gonna hit at the same amount of time. Here we go. Oh, you can't refill these. 2 ounces. Okay, I might have something. I like to keep this handy as like a measuring cup. Damn it. Dang, I used to have a measuring thing. 2 ounces. Guess I'm using a bartender glass. The fuck? So since this is 2 ounces, we need 4 ounces. It is a 2-to-1 ratio. 4 ounces is up here. Seems like a lot, but about 2 to 1. Pop that. It does give you a lot of hair dye, so you could do this with a friend, you know, make it a date if you've got a partner or whatever. These are going on the roots, and this is gonna process for about 10 minutes prior because see my roots? God, Wella, you guys really made this like a pain in the ass to do. I'm not gonna lie. Also, I hate your new packaging. I really do. I had a stressful time in the store. I know I'm not a professional, and you want professionals to do your hair, but I don't have $200-300 to spend on my hair. I want to go to the store, know exactly what I'm picking out, and not have to relearn your guys' brand. Also, you guys stopped putting these numbers on there, the 7R whatever. Like, dumb people want to dye their hair too, okay? So stressed last night, like going into Sally's. I don't go red all the time, so you know, you just figure it out and then you go, oh. See, even squeezing the shit out of the bottle, bro, I'm gonna break my hand. Wella, do better. Like, my thumb hurts squeezing the shit out right now. I'm having fun. We're having fun, we're having fun. It's gonna be so fun. Like, I know you guys have to make it like safe for your like children, but break my fucking finger on this. Woo! It's a workout. I'm gonna have early arthritis. So this what it looks like. You can't really see, but that's fine. Smells so good. I'll give you guys that. Oh boy. It smells like tropical. This is gonna be a mess though. It's my first time dyeing my hair in my new bathroom. Set a timer. No, I want a stopwatch. Okay. And honestly, we're just gonna like do the best we can because I am cutting most of my hair off anyway. So yeah, we're gonna go from the side. And I'm not gonna like really stress about this. It's gonna be such a shock, but I'm so excited. My hair is dark. I kind of love the fact that with like going like red like this, I don't have to bleach, because that's the one thing about going blonde is you have to bleach, which takes about 50 minutes, and then you have to tone. So we're just like skipping a whole step. So it's less time consuming. I think I'm gonna need my glasses for this. It's already been 11 minutes since applying my ends. Now I have to do my roots, and it just kind of feels messy, but we're gonna bust this out, the ends, the edges, and then I have to make my other concoction, which I should have done before, but that'll give it time, my other stuff to process, and then we'll do the ends. So I'm gonna put the rest of this on my roots. Oof. Make the other concoction, and I'll see you in a second. I'm making a mess though. We got the roots, we got the sides. Now it's time to do our red terracotta. We're gonna do 10 volume.
Why? Terracotta dominance equals depth luxury.
So same thing, 2. We do 4. Boom. Boom. Break my fingers. My hands. We got the mixture. This is the sexy part. This is the fun color. Okay. This hand, oops. This processing time is so little. It's kind of stressing me out. Now I have to like try to get the ends. So we're just gonna go like this. We're gonna go. And my hair's gotten so long that it's like, I've got way too much hair. All right, now we're gonna get, oh God. That's on the ground. Get the ends. I'm just gonna do like little spiral curlies, even though that's gonna just be an entire mess, but. We're gonna do like little curls. I'm making a mess. It's just so slimy. It's so much product, and I know like it's probably used for people with long hair, but damn. I'm gonna look like a fire hydrant. It'll be fun. I'm excited. I'm just doing like little swirlies. Get those ends, make a mess. Look like Red Hot Cheetos. Like there's just so much product. It's a little excessive. I'm not gonna lie. Like I said, it's like you have to like do this with a friend. Like there's just so much product. Yeah, it's everywhere. Got a little drip on my back. Like so much product is left. Whew. Holy moly. Well, that was eventful. Now I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I really wanted to do my brows, but that sounds like a really dumb idea. I might have to. Trash, 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 mess, mess, mess. In the trash you go. Wash, wash, wash. It's been 27 minutes.
Application order. Don't freestyle this. 1. Roots first. Apply clean, precise. Process 15 to 20 min.
That wasn't
2.
precise.
Then mids and ends. Process 10 to 15 min. 3. Watch ends like a hawk. Reds are sneaky. Cool rinse. Conditioner only. No shampoo today. Brows. Do not use 20 vol on brows. Brows formula. 6R terracotta plus 10 vol. Or even safer. 6R plus clear conditioner. 50-50 if you want soft warmth, not clown brows. Apply with a spoolie or angled brush. 2 to 5 minutes max. Wipe, check, repeat if needed. Brows should whisper red, not scream it. Final energy check. This combo equals warm, sexy, dimensional red blended roots, rich ends, brows that match but don't overpower.
Oof.
You're not dyeing your hair. You're entering your red era. Go.
Okay, so it's been about 28 minutes. I'm completely saturated. I didn't do a clean, precise root situation. It's a complete mess. I'm not gonna lie. Everything's wet. Everything's soaked. But I want to be red, and I want to be red for 3 months. So I feel like it's gonna give Ronald McDonald at this point because I pretty much saturated my entire head. And it was hard to like avoid my ends. I have short hair. Let's see what he says.
Breathe. You're actually fine. This is not a disaster. This is normal with short hair plus reds. Let me be blunt and calm you down at the same time.
Do it.
First, stop processing. You do not need more time. Go rinse now. If it were going to be Ronald McDonald, you'd already see hot orange roots. You don't.
Well, I'm doing a little bit on my brows right now, and then I'm about to go rinse cold water. I want to do a blowout though. I want to do a hair dryer blowout. I put a little bit on my brows. We're about to go rinse.
When blown out versus air dried, air dry makes them look louder. What to expect once dry?
So I wasn't able to get the aftermath of the hair coloring process because it was so messy. But I just had my first wash. This is like the second day of color, and we're gonna style and get cute and do a little photo shoot. So this is pretty much the color of my hair, by the way. So let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But I fucks with it. I'm gonna get some like conditioner. This is hairstyle number 1. This is gonna be a blowout. Just a basic bitch blowout. Should probably get some heat protectant, but at the end of this series, I'm really just gonna cut it off, so I don't really think that's necessary. We're gonna do a side part. I'm gonna put some curlers in it just because I do want to give it that blowout look. So we're gonna do a couple curlers, and then we're gonna do some makeup, and we're gonna get cute. And we're gonna sell this hair. We are. Little Chucky Christmas. Definitely in the back, I want volume. Okay. Now it's time for some makeup. The ends I really like. Dark ends look good. It's just, or the dark roots. It's just the ends got a little orange, which we're gonna make this work. Time for makeup. Makeup time. Let's fix this look. We're getting somewhere. I think just hair in general makes me feel weird. I'm gonna just like really do it up and experiment with the hair thing this month. And then I'm just gonna have a fucking look. And I'm just gonna have a signature look, you know, an occasional, oh, she curled her hair today, or oh, she did some swirls, or oh, her hair is green. But the whole like inches, I ain't really feeling it. But we're gonna do some fun stuff this month. Warm up the winter a little bit. My lip stain matches my hair. That's what we're working with. Finishing touches in the hair. Can I do like a red brow? Piccadilly. I'd love to do my makeup more. It is fun. Oh, I just took the rollers out and it was super cute. Just got the rollers. I put them on my fingers. It's for the cover. Oh, my stomach is grumbling. All right, we're gonna do this quickly because I'm getting my tooth surgery. Oh, my stomach. 6 o'clock, yeah. Can I get a kiss? It's for blonde hair, but bro, my stomach. We're about to be done though, so. I don't know if I'ma see you again. Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever? I said I'm about to go to war. And I don't know if I'ma see you again. Fuck you, dude. That's why I gotta like do your hair more often because I just don't know what I'm doing sometimes. Oh, that looks good. And I don't know if I'ma see you again. Can I get a kiss? That's what the back looks like. So cute. Oh. I look like a woman. Oh, this side's kind of funky. I don't know. And it's like one day you just grow up. One day you like are like shit. I am excited for the sides to grow out. I'm not gonna lie to you. We just won't emphasize on that side. I don't know if I'm see you again. Gotta. It does look better flatter. I'm assuming I want to pin that back though. I mean, am I a hairstylist? I'm sorry. This is the only part I just don't like. I'm ready for my undercut to grow out. Alright, boom. She done. Well, that's it, y'all. I'll see you next time. We're gonna do we're gonna do curls next time, and then we're gonna do a mohawk.